Hello everyone, this is Hobbi Crochet. Today I want to show you how to make this beautiful little flower. I put it on a keyring. You can attach it to your handbag, backpack or anywhere else. For that I'm using hook 5.5 millimeters and the yarn, it is bonus chunky, 100 gram, 137 meters. You can use any yarn you prefer, any one you've got. It will take around 5 grams. Let's start making the loop. This is how I do it. And then this working end feeds through this hole. Make it slightly smaller. And I'm making chain 5. Yarn over and pull it through your loop. Yarn over, pull it through your loop. Yarn over, pull it through. Yarn over, pull it through. And again, and pull it through. You have the chain. Insert your hook in the first stitch. Yarn over and pull it through both loops on your hook. You made a slip stitch and you made a little circle. Now we will make 5 petals into this circle. You can pause the video anytime and finish what you are doing. I'm making chain 3, yarn over, pull it through this loop, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over and pull it through. And now maybe the most challenging part, it is puff stitch. Yarn over into the circle, then I'm picking the yarn, pulling it out and making a long loops. Do it again. I'm holding it with my middle finger that it doesn't go away, and I'm holding my ring, my circle with chains, yes, holding it with my thumb just to give the tension. Yarn over into the circle, pick the yarn, pull it out. Let's do it again. Yarn over, holding it with your middle finger, with my middle finger, into the circle, picking the yarn, pull it out. I have 7 loops on my hook, still holding it with my middle finger, yarn over again and pull it through all 7 loops. You notice that my hook is pointing downwards. Again, yarn over and pull it through. I've completed a puff stitch, making chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and slip stitch into the circle. So I need to complete my petal. That's why I'm going down the circle, picking the yarn, and the same loop I'm pulling through my first loop, just like that. And this is your first petal. Let's make another one. Chain 3, yarn over and pull it through, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over and pull it through. I'm holding my thumb on my working area just to give us a tension, but I'm not holding my working yarn very tight, that you don't want to make the stitch you are working very small. Alright, and now puff stitch, yarn over, insert your hook into the circle, pick the yarn and pull it out, making a long loop. 1, again, yarn over, hold it, insert your hook into the circle, picking the yarn, this is the yarn, pull it out, doing again, yarn over towards yourself, yes, hold it with your middle finger just to give attention into the circle, pick the yarn, pull it out. Now again yarn over and pull it through. Again I'm pointing my hook downwards and wiggle it through like this, yarn over and pull it through 1 loop. Puff stitch is finished, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Making a slip stitch, insert your hook into the circle, picking the yarn and taking this loop through the first one, like this. I have made 2 petals, you can just slide it along. I will fit 3 more petals on this ring. Let's make chain 3, and puff stitch. Chain 3, slip stitch, and do it all again 2 more times. I will go a bit faster. You don't work with this end because this is just your the beginning of your flower. You just leave it how it is. Always working with the working yarn, the long with the ball. Chain 3, slip stitch, and 1 more petal, chain 3, puff stitch, chain 3, I'm sliding my petals just to give myself some room. I can see this is chain 5 my ring, where I'm attaching my last petal. Insert, pick the yarn and pull that through your first loop. You're finished. To complete it, let's do one more stitch. So insert, pick that yarn and make one more stitch. This is it. Let's cut the end. You cut the end and you just pull this like this. To secure this, you can knot them together. You can cut them like that, or you can hide it. To hide it, I'm using the same hook. Insert it through all those puff stitches like this. One, next stitch, insert somewhere in the middle, between, does not matter where. We're just hiding the ends like this and cut the yarn. Now this is nice and neat. You can attach it to your cardigan, to your other jumpers. It will be lovely. Or what we were doing in a crochet club, attach this on a piece of string, key-ring, and give it to your mommy on a Mother's Day. Have a lovely day and thank you for watching.